A major blow now to the case that sparked the Me Too movement. Disgraced movie mogul Harvey Weinstein had his felony sex crime convictions overturned by New York's highest court.
Oh, but Weinstein remains locked up, thanks in part to his convictions here in the city of Los Angeles. KQL News reporter Tom Wade is here to break down this ruling. Tom.
And Pat, you can imagine just how devastating this is for the victims to have to go through this again.
Yeah.
So they may have to go back and testify. The decision comes more than 4 years after the 72-year-old was found guilty in New York for sexually assaulting 2 women and sentenced to 23 years in prison. In Harvey Weinstein's New York sex crimes case, a bombshell ruling by a New York appeals court. It's sending shockwaves from coast to coast. In a stunning 4-3 decision, the court's judges overturned his sex crimes convictions.
It's devastating. I woke up to this horrible news.
Lauren Savon, who never testified in court, says in 2007, Weinstein fondled himself in front of her at a dinner party. She spoke with CBS News correspondent Jerika Duncan.
I think today's decision doesn't in any way falsify what those women testified to or relieve him of any guilt in any way. I think this was a procedural decision that, of course, is unfortunate because we felt like we did our best and everybody who participated in that trial told the truth.
The New York appeals court found that in 2020, the judge, quote, erroneously admitted testimony by allowing women who were not part of the case to testify that Weinstein had assaulted them. Weinstein's attorney, Arthur Aidala.
This was a case about perversion. Well, in that courthouse at trial, the laws were perverted because there was so much pressure, because Harvey was the face of this movement, that he had to be convicted.
Among those who testified against Weinstein, first partner Jennifer Siebel Newsom. Governor Newsom weighed in on the court's ruling.
Harvey Weinstein's a stone-cold predator. He's a rapist. Twice convicted, not once, twice. He should never see the light of day, period, full stop.
Despite the ruling in New York, the disgraced movie mogul will remain locked up, thanks in part to his rape conviction here in Los Angeles.
Some people thought that the Los Angeles case was kind of superfluous. I think those people are now seeing there actually was an important reason to try Harvey Weinstein in 2 different jurisdictions. If you're potentially guilty of crimes in 2 jurisdictions, then following the rule of law would indicate you should be tried in both.
Weinstein's convictions in California do not appear in jeopardy.
California law is different from New York's law. California has a much more generous law when it comes to bringing in evidence of alleged prior sexual misconduct against a defendant.
The New York DA plans to retry the case, which of course puts enormous strain on Weinstein's victims.
You never want to have to do a case again, especially with victims of sexual assault, where you have to put them back through all those horrible events again.
Weinstein terrorized women for decades. His case inspired the Me Too movement. There are fears this ruling could set that movement back.
It will 100% have a chilling effect on victims coming forward. I mean, think about it. Think about how hard it is to come forward in the first place. You know, whether or not you're even believed. And then if it's someone as powerful as Harvey Weinstein, you face threats, you face intimidation.
Weinstein was sentenced to 16 years for his convictions here in Los Angeles.
Mitch?